Let's make a one-point perspective drawing. It's going to be a street scene, so it's the exterior, the outside, and we're going to do this in a couple different segment videos so that I can have you watch me, then work through it, and then go on to the next step. The first thing we're going to do is do a sketch going through the whole cityscape kind of perspective drawing, so that on our final project you could choose to make a street scene of any kind. We'll go over that in more explanation after we go through the practices. So I'm going to do Sharpie. You always use your pencil because in my videos it's easier to see, especially with the sun coming through the windows, but for you we always want to be able to change and erase. I don't have that option. First things first, we need a horizon line. We talked about it last week. It's where it looks like the sky and the ground meet. It doesn't have to be perfect today. We're not going to use rulers. I just want to see us get the layout of all these things and work through it together. You also need a vanishing point. It's usually towards the middle. It doesn't have to be perfect. And once you understand this basic stuff, you can always take it off to one side a little bit. Next step is making an X. The edges of the X are going to come from your corners and go through your vanishing point. So I start over here and I'm going to take it nice and slowly. I'm going to still try and keep in mind where that vanishing point is touched, and I'm going to go all the way to this other corner. Now this top corner, starting here, and I'm going to try and keep in mind where the vanishing point is. Again, yours could be even better because you're not using mark. And all the way down here. You don't need a ruler, just try and get the feel for how this is all going to work.